words we never really said, but for a second you are here with me, so clear to see. You're just a